Hello friends, this is Dr Ateet Sharma, Senior Joint Replacement Surgeon, KD Hospital, Ahmedabad. Today we would be talking about something new, the Cori Robotic System and its uses in the knee replacement surgery. Cori is the short form for the core of real intelligence. It uses infrared technology to map multiple points in the patient's knee joint. Using this, it creates a 3D model of the whole knee joint. Once this is done, it creates an entire plan for the surgery, including the femur sizes, the tibial sizes, and the poly. Once this plan is accepted by the surgeon, it helps the surgeon to execute the surgical cuts accurately. Conventional knee replacement surgery is done using jigs and bony landmarks as reference points. In a conventional knee replacement, we use the femoral canal as the first reference point for the femoral cut. This can sometimes lead to fat embolism, especially in bilateral knee replacement cases. Robotic knee replacement surgery does not violate the femoral canal. So, chances of fat embolism are very less in a robotic knee replacement surgery. In a robotic knee surgery, the planning is done beforehand. So, the incision is small and soft tissue releases required are very less. This leads to less blood loss, less postoperative pain, and faster recovery. Using the artificial intelligence of the robot and the skill of the surgeon, a very accurate knee replacement surgery can be performed, which in turn leads to increased longevity of the joint. While other robotic systems require a CT scan to do the planning of the surgery, the Cori robot uses infrared technology to map the points during the surgery itself. So, there is no difference in the preoperative preparation in a Cori robotic surgery. The one thing which I would want the people to know is that once the word robot comes in picture, there is a general myth among the people that the robot will be doing the entire surgery. It is not so. The fact is, the Cori robot helps in the planning and assists in the execution of the surgery, while the whole surgery is done by the surgeon himself. The Cori robot is a very intelligent machine. It has the smallest footprint in the entire robotic knee surgery segment. My experience with the Cori robotic knee surgery has been wonderful. The whole plan of the surgery is ready before you start the actual surgery itself. And it also assists in executing the surgery very precisely. So, I can give the best results to my patients. Thank you friends for listening to this very interesting topic of Cori robotic knee replacement surgery. Do subscribe to my channel for more updates on joint replacement surgery.